If you're considering buying SaneBox, there are a few things you need to know first to make sure it's the right choice for you. Stick around to the end, because I'll be comparing it to other tools like Clean Email and Unroll.me, so you'll get a full picture before committing. First off, SaneBox is an email management tool that helps you regain control over your inbox by automatically sorting your emails. What sets it apart from other tools is its use of artificial intelligence to learn from your behavior and categorize emails without you having to lift a finger. But how does it stack up against the competition? Unlike Clean Email, which requires manual input for bulk actions, SaneBox works in the background, so you don't have to worry about sorting every email yourself. It's a set and forget system that adjusts based on your usage, which is a huge time saver. Next thing to consider is the learning curve. If you're new to email management tools, SaneBox might seem overwhelming at first. The interface is straightforward, but there are several features to explore, such as Sane Later and Sane Black Hole. Sane Later automatically moves less important emails out of your primary inbox, while Sane Black Hole helps you unsubscribe from unwanted senders by simply dragging their emails into the folder. While competitors like Unroll.me focus mainly on unsubscribing from email lists, SaneBox offers a much more comprehensive solution for email management that keeps your inbox clean long-term. The third thing you need to know is that SaneBox is compatible with all major email providers, including Gmail, Outlook, and Yahoo. This broad compatibility is crucial because, unlike some tools that work only with specific platforms, SaneBox integrates seamlessly with whatever email service you're already using. This gives it a leg up over other tools that may require switching email providers or platforms to make full use of their features. The fourth thing you should be aware of is the pricing. SaneBox isn't the cheapest option out there, especially when compared to free alternatives like Gmail's built-in filters. However, what you get with SaneBox is a level of automation and AI-based functionality that other free tools can't match. Their plans start with a basic option that's affordable. But if you want access to premium features like snoozing emails or blacklisting senders, you'll need to go for their higher tier options. The pricing might seem steep at first, but considering the time it saves, many users find it worthwhile. Now let's talk about customization. While SaneBox is a great solution for people who want an easy-to-use, set it and forget it tool, it also allows you to fine-tune your inbox if you prefer. You can set up specific rules, create custom folders, and even whitelist important senders to ensure their emails always land in your primary inbox. This level of customization is more advanced than what you get with most competitors, which often rely on a one-size-fits-all approach. Another important factor to keep in mind is the mobile experience. SaneBox's mobile app is decent, but it's not as feature-packed or as polished as some might hope. If you're someone who relies heavily on managing emails from your phone, you might find the mobile interface a little limited compared to other services like Clean Email, which has a more intuitive app. However, SaneBox's integration with email providers means you can still access its features via your email app, making it easy to stay organized on the go. Lastly, it's important to consider the support and customer service SaneBox offers. In our experience, their customer support is responsive and helpful, which is key when using a tool that deals with something as critical as your email. While their support is good, it's worth mentioning that some competitors offer 24/7 live chat or quicker response times, which can be more convenient if you're dealing with issues on a tight timeline. If you're still on the fence, here's a little secret. You can try out SaneBox completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. This will give you access to an exclusive trial, so you can explore all the features for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your email management needs. So, if you're ready to take control of your inbox, click that link and get started with SaneBox today. You'll get the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.